All right, now let's look at the word problem. In letter H, a golf instructor has a budget of $5,500 to buy new demonstration clubs. He will receive 5 free clubs when he places his order. The number of clubs that can be bought is given by the equation y is the number of clubs, equals 5,500, that's my budget, divided by X, the price per club, plus 5. Now, this is an excellent equation to explain to you what's going on with this sort of thing. Um, are there certain numbers of clubs that I can't possibly buy? What if, can I buy 0 clubs according to this expression? Well, I can't buy, or I'm sorry, is there any possible price per club? That's what I should say. Are there any possible prices per club that are impossible? And the answer is yes. Um, I can't have a club that's worth 0. That wouldn't make any sense. If I did have a club that was worth 0, how many could I buy for $5,500? Well, if it was free, I could buy an infinite number of them, right? So that's an undefined value. That's why I have an asymptote in this at at x equals 0. That's my vertical asymptote. I have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 5. Because no matter what, even if the golf clubs were an infinite number, like there was so much money per golf club that I basically couldn't buy any golf clubs for my 5,000. If they were like $1 trillion a piece, and I could only buy a fraction of one golf club for my $5,500, I couldn't get less than, I couldn't get less than 5 for that amount of money because I'm being given 5 for free with my order, right? So that's why there's a horizontal asymptote, um, because I'm never going to get exactly 5. I can at least buy a fraction of a golf club more than 5, right? No matter how much money they cost, this is still going to be some fraction of a golf club. If it was an infinite amount, then I would be able to buy 0 of them. But there's no number that you can put on the bottom of this fraction that actually makes this 0. So I'm going to buy 5 and then a little bit more, even if they cost a whole lot of money. Okay. Now those are my asymptotes. Letter I says if each club costs $100, how many clubs will he receive? Now I just do the math. 5,500 divided by $100 is 5.5. Okay. I'm sorry, 55. What am I doing? That was 1,000. So 55 clubs if each is $100 plus 5 is 60. So the answer for letter I is 60 clubs. Let's just see if we did that right. Okay, so 60 clubs, and just to check, x equals 0 and y equals 5 are my asymptotes. That is how you work these types of problems. Go ahead and do numbers 1 through 30 for next time.